Kaizer Chiefs isenkingeni bafowethu ngoba nomfana uNkwesa naye selimele, meaning that there's no left back available. Izolo ngikhulume nobhuti kaCross, behamba nobaba kaCross. Mangibabuza ukuthi uCross uzodlala na soon, bathi abazi nokwazi ukuthi uzodlala soon, but-ke bathi uyazama ukusebenza laphana behind closed doors ukuthi a-recover fast laphana uCross, but asazi ukuthi noCross uzobuya nini. If kulimala abo-Froster, kulimala aboNkwesa, kulimala nama-players a-different laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs and ama-replacement awekho ebhentshini noma esquadini, ngiyabona ukuthi i-problem le. Khona ubhuti engikhulume naye after i-game owe-Kaizer Chiefs, uthi i-team enkulu kanjani enganama-replacement? Go to i-Orlando Pirates, go to iMamelodi Sundowns, ubheke ukuthi i-backup ku-right back, cabanga banoKhuliso Mudau but ebhentshini noma kwezi-backup banomdunyelwa, ubani lo mjida, khona lo mjida uThapelo Morena, bane-backup. Uye ku-left back khona u-Aubrey Modiba, khona uBasadeni, khona uLungu, khona uSibiya. So i-backup after backup, ungene esizweni uyabona ukuthi wonke ama-players kune-backup, ungene ku-striking department, ungene ku-defense, khona ama-players a-different angakadlali nokudlala this season. So Kaizer Chiefs kwenzakalani? Why banganawo ama-backup and ama-backup a-strong? Hhayi ukuthi bathi hhayi sizodlalisa ama-player ku-DDC ngoba vele siyastruggle. U-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs ucomplain-e kakhulu bafethu ngama-injuries. Uthe i-team yakhe beyizodlala kangcono if beyingadili nama-injuries amaningi, cause amaningi ama-injuries, siyavuma. OMarco kudala balimala, uThulani Touch Mabasa ulimale isizini engakaqali nokuqala. Ngapha sinoMayo, Oshinga balimale last season, uDotley naye akakabi ready. Sibonile ku-left back udlale bayibizani le position left wing uPulemodi. Udlalile naye ukudlala uPulemodi, but there was a great opportunity. uPulemodi uphethe ibhola kumele just ashaye through pass close to the box, ufuna ukukhatha. Poor decision making as a senior player. But kube ne-game e-decent, I don't wanna lie, engconywana, but could have done better. But what I heard ukuthi uPulemodi bengeka survive ku-Kaizer Chiefs if i-Kaizer Chiefs isayine ama-player early. Behambile uPulemodi but-ke babona ukuthi abanawo ama-options amaningi, bamgcina laphana uPulemodi. As for Da Silva naye akekho. To be honest, i-Kaizer Chiefs ikorile ukukora but kazange create that much going forward. But I think they understood ukuthi kuzoba nzima ukudlala ne-Sundowns because bazoyiyeka i-Sundowns i-dominate i-play, but for bona as i-Chiefs it was important ukuthi babe ne-shape e-right. Amanye ama-place ngawabheka adlale kahle kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yabona u-Ox bafethu udlale kahle kakhulu laphana esiswini, bekawucisha umlilo we-Sundowns laphana. I-Sundowns beyizama ukubalanda kubo but u-Ox Mthetho make sure ukuthi no, they don't create ama-opportunities amaningi and abekho i-dominance yabo laphana esiswini iba minimum. NoNdlovu uyothola i-man of the match welona we-Kaizer Chiefs eyibaningi oNdlovu. Manje we-Kaizer Chiefs othola i-man of the match, beka-aggressive, beka-strong laphana esiswini, naye-ke uzamile ukumake sure ukuthi i-Sundowns noma iba dangerous kakhulu but-ke bangasondeli ebhokisini as ama-midfielders and babafosta ukuthi badlale eceleni. Izodila kanjani i-Chiefs nganalama-injuries lawa amaningi kangaka bafowethu? Asazi. Hhayi asazi bafethu, sobona u-Ethan Cheslet naye sibone i-tackle le from ubani lo mjida lona uMokoena. I think u-Ethan Cheslet naye bazomeda kuma-injury list. U-Ethan Cheslet ungenile naye but bombona ukuthi I don't know ukuthi maybe amagame amakhulu u-Ethan Cheslet akakwazi ukuwahandle cause ayikho into ayinika i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana izolo bafowethu. Ungenile ukungena but ayikho into ayinike i-Kaizer Chiefs. Then I'd like to say congratulations to Langa Lihlephili ngokukora igoli lakhe lokuqala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Esithemba ukuthi maningi azayo for yena umfana. Really exciting for i-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke i-plan of the day le abadlale ngayo, again into besikhuluma ngayo even during last week, where is a creativity teaming? Because this is a big team. You need to be super creative if you're gonna play for Kaizer Chiefs, but there's no creativity at all laphana ku-Khosi Nation. Ayikho. Number 10 ubani number 10? Akekho number 10. Yazi I think umdu uyakwazi ukungena second half bafethu ashintshe igame and yena bayathanda ukuphasana yena noVilakazi. If uzofaka bona babawu-2 bayathanda ukuphasana, kusho ukuthi bane-understanding-ke, bayakwazi ukudlalelana. So it's just a matter of ucoach uku-understand ukuthi okay, lama-player lawa ayathanda ukudlala u-2 and then uzowadlalisa kanjani-ke u-2 lama-player lawa bafethu. uPhil u-strong but for me oPhil abayeke ibhola lobunika man, hhayi abayeke ibhola lobunika. Njalo kumele utebhise wehlise ilo isikhindi egrawundini njalo. Yazi I don't know, more than 10 times ngibheke uPhil because I was sitting close to yena. Into afocuse kuyo, ufocuse ebhlukweni ukuthi ibhluke lakhe kumele lehle, anikeni ibhola lobunika. Same thing lento enziwa uSipho Mbuli, ibhola kumele atebhise-ke manje abe yinika egrawundini. Mfethu forget about isikhindi, dlala ibhola kuphela. We are there to watch you play and you perform. Wena ucabanga ukuthi isikhindi sakho sihleli kuphi? Hhayi uPhil bayahlaza. But-ke congratulations to uPhil ngegoli. Ox Mthethwa, Thabiso Munyane ngibonile azibheka angayiphambili kakhulu that match, but-ke a great performance, like a solid play in terms of defending. Sundowns ukuthi ivuke emaqandeni elo ekugcineni bafethu yabalanda serious-ke laphana ngama-change noma ngithi ama-replacement, ama-subs lawa angenile. uPeterson uyidlisile iKaizer Chiefs again. Yabona-ke le Peterson uyidlisile iKaizer Chiefs again. Uyaphuma epalini uyalibona mfethu. What I don't understand, iKaizer Chiefs-ke ne-defense yakhona uheda kanjani umuntu omfishane kunabo bonke laphana eboxini. uMayilula phela mfishane ukuthi afike kulela bhola lelakuqala. Azaf iphi Inasho Miguel dila nebhola foke nawe iya ebholeni, uyamazi ugolkipa wakho ukuthi ngeke umthembe. Iya ebholeni mfethu, ngcono ashayise wena ukulona uPeterson. But I think Inasho Miguel i-commitment yakhe ulekile i-commitment when he saw ukuthi ngathi uPeterson uyaphuma, kusho ukuthi ibhola uzokwazi ukufika kulo Peterson ufika late ebholeni. Kanti urida kanjani igame Peterson ngempela? That was just a poor goal to concede. iKaizer Chiefs bekumele laphana ikwazi ukuthola i-3 points. Sivaleni ngama-fans bafethu ukuthi atheni on the ground, but-ke esixolise nge-sound because i-sound beyingasifavor laphana. Xolise nakwabanye abajita engibatshela ukuthi bazoba ku-Omni Audio. I think sibhayiziswe i-sound bafethu, ngiyaxolisa kakhulu.
Bafethu, welcome to Omni Audio Africa. Namba nokhosile abanye bangizipho stage. Ngiphethe amafana ethu weKaizer Chiefs. Bazositshela namhlanje ukuthi how did you see the game? Massive, umnathi?
Hayi kamnandi.
My brother?
Angekisharp.
Usharp.
Angekisharp.
Massive, how did you see the game? 1-1. Mamelodi Sundowns 1 Kaizer Chiefs. Ukupa uqhaqhela yona uzothi ubona igame njani?
Yeah, the honest truth is that there is no one who wants to lose against Mamelodi Sundowns. But up to so far, I'm not yet convinced with the play of Kaizer Chiefs, to be honest. We are not playing well. We don't have number 3. The coach introduced carpet football, which is we play carpet football, but we're playing it at the back. We don't have... Where's the Chiefs of counter-attack? We lost the culture of Kaizer Chiefs. Because now the only thing that we do, we go into the middle field and then we take the football back. I understand. Yeah. You take out Langeli Kepili. Yes, he scored, he performed, but who is our super sub? We don't have what we call super sub in Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. We bring in Tasimba. That guy is not yet adjusted to Kaizer Chiefs play. He's very slow. Yeah. You understand? And you are playing a team like Mamelodi Sundowns that they know how to play slow football and a fast pace as well. You understand? Yeah. So I saw with the first lineup that this game we're going to defend as long as you brought back Modi, who he was not even playing for 2 matches. I think the last time Modi played very well and I played almost 90 minutes. He played Toyota Cup, Rustenburg. Yeah. And then after that, he was being benched. And now he came back today to play as a number 3. The same thing that we did when we were playing Orlando Pirates the last time, where we drew 0-0. Because why? They knew that we're having a big problem on number 3 and they don't want to accept it. Kaizer Chiefs management, they need to acknowledge we need number 3, we need number 10, and we still need number 9. This thing of playing false 9, it doesn't work. It does not work.
So Kaizer Chiefs Liverpool attacking football. Bona ye defend. Now I think Gikhale is support Kaizer Chiefs from Salim Nyani. But the type of playing, I don't like it. Now I don't like defensive football. We're supposed to win here, but the problem here, problem Nagi won today. Kid player, not saying the body bapala. Reshota, the player. Over today, Baba Police are play model number 3 because of we don't have number 3. Another player, okay, let's say
Cross is injured.
Cross is injured, Foslam is injured, but we don't know. Another guy, Marco is injured. Where is another player? They must bring more players. They must bring more players to the squad to compete. Because season Rivapala Kaputengat. No, we are out already. We out because of player. Like today, Sheba gave me in Kupuza, gave me a Yabafana, Eribula World Cup. You go Bruce Abapala got defensive, almost 9 defensive. It's like the not one. It's the same. So as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, we don't want the football like that for defensive football. Sundown is very easy. Sundown or more Aina next Sundown. Here we are supposed to collect 3 points today. So leave on about time because what to take is 1 point. They're supposed to lose. But rather than that, guys, thanks for 1 point and then next game.
Thank you, Prophet. Mr. Massive, tell me why we predicting this season. This season, the Kaizer Chiefs to Babian. If the Kaizer Chiefs, I know my player that match. It's a more shape the bench to a one or now, man. I say this sleep edge. So when a Kaizer Chiefs to pay for match, yeah, because season.
If this season we're gonna continue to play the way we are, and they're not gonna bring more players in before the window closes, I'm telling you that January will be out of the top 8.
Yeah.
Because now it's gonna be hard for us because with the same bench that we are having, we're still struggling. So in order for us to win, we need more players to come in. How is a big team like Kaizer Chiefs don't have a backup of number 3, for example?
Yeah.
How is a team like Kaizer Chiefs does not have a number 10? How a team like Kaizer Chiefs busy pushing the false 9? We need a natural number 9.
Number 9.
We just better logo Naturena, which is if we just better logo Naturena, you need to bring more players so that at least we can have a backup. But up to so far we don't have a backup. So if you continue to play like this, we must just forget about it.
Mr. Massive, Ribapetsi first half number 9.
Yeah. And then you brought
So,
Sunduba. What did he do?
What do you expect? Timu like Kaizer Chiefs, Ibapal is number 9.
You can't play 9 players defensively. Chiefs, the culture here, Chiefs, if you know the Chiefs of Shaba, if you know the Chiefs here, even the previous one, we used to have something that we call counter-attack. Yes, we sit back, but immediately we win a ball, we go out, and then we're going to capitalize with it. And as well, a very important message to Brendan Peterson. He went back to do those small mistakes that are costing us. Golden Arrows, he did a mistake in 10-8, and then we said, no, it's just a mistake, it's fine. Today as well, as a goalkeeper, that corner kick, when you are going out, you need to make sure it's either you punching a ball or white one. You can't just go out and open your arms and then open in the EBA finish about and then it's a goal.
Okay, to add, I know if I analyze a baller today or whatever, or maybe tomorrow, but you know most of player but until injured. We need more player to replace those players there. We need more players to compete. Thank you.
Buffett, welcome to Omni Audio Africa. Your boss lady, on your name is Cosinate. Senior super fan, Buffett, your kids are cheese. Are you going to match from TikTok to Facebook? You don't know, okay? How did you see the game?
My sister, very total recovery now. Maris, to be honest, I could choose in Jamo. I was in Jagago Jamaka because if I give us Kanchapili, I give her a sharp. Oh, I see that. And over the jury, if I like set it, over Sanura, we win. Sometimes I get a Galvele, only mistake. Okazuru fecha ugora fecha upakabasa eponetu. So majita wana badadi lo still arna lo na tunuba support over. Yeah.
You see the game?
After that, in the grand shop, Sundowns must consider themselves very lucky to have drawn this game. Grand Shaba, Chiefs, in fact, pushile, and I'm expecting more from a team. Definitely this season we're gonna rock. We're gonna rock. It's just unfortunate. I think my goalkeeper Peterson didn't judge that ball well, right? Because for me, he was supposed to be the first man on the ball. But anyway, other than that, Coach for life as pushing and I'm trying to be to Danko.
Okay. Pelile game bayareact abantu on the ground la ngiphethe super fan leMamelodi Sundowns kodwa manje labo ibone kanjani igame iziphi izinto mina bengicabanga ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ngeke ibuye pound to pound kuSundowns but now iKaizer Chiefs in surprise ibone kanjani on igame king
Chiefs greetings my leader igama lami uAyana Mkhidzana well known as Konke fan of the Mamelodi Sundowns game I feel the game it was very tactically I feel the coach of Kaizer Chiefs is very smart. He's an intelligent coach. He understood very well how much strength and weaknesses working. He understood what he needs to start with the centre backs. He made sure with those three centre backs, they're not just any centre backs, they are leaders. If you look at Mike, he's a captain, a leader. If you look at Kuraidu Kunika, a leader also. You look at Mloy Sane from Stellenbosch, also a leader. And it was his first game, Mloy Sane, with the team leader. And you come into the middle field, you got the combination around my boy, which that combination started way back in my respect. They started that combination in my respect. So there's clear understanding between the two in the middle field, and then there's clear understanding between the three. And then behind these five people, you've got before me, goalkeeper last season, one goalkeeper last season, Upitasi. So clear defensive, you could understand who coach when I was what he was doing. On top of that, introduce the young players who peel on the other side. He knew if I peel in my reference point, whenever we're winning the balls and we are under pressure, we can simply throw the ball on the other side. You'll be the one those niggas are in the ground, those was who progress as a movement, but area of press record. I feel from that, Coach Kaizer Chiefs was very smart. And another thing I like about Coach Kaizer Chiefs is that he said something, Magapiga. What I'm not competing with Sundowns, I'm not competing with Pirates. Merely just saying, what you don't put me under pressure, allow me to do my job. And the man you are born with under pressure. I wish the support of Neza on a Kaizer Chiefs match, but the Neza and throughout the season. And then we go with Mamelodi Sundowns. When I look at Mamelodi Sundowns, traditionally, they say Tikateka, Shine and Pian. But there's something about the Sundowns you have to pick up in Zahara. That setup pairing in Mamelodi Sundowns. It's not the setup pairing that Mamelodi Sundowns was using last season. It's not the setup pairing Mamelodi Sundowns winning our Champions League. So that can tell you what changes a move. And you can see what mistake in Zahara. That's why you see what a player like Johannes is a mistake. But it's good because we've been crying out loud to say Mamelodi Sundowns should give young players a chance. And we're giving a young player a chance.
khona into engiyibonile namhlanje egame namhlanje iSundowns athika ngeside eliyi-1 ukhuliswa umuda kuphela like uyu umuntu engimbonayo oya phambili isikhathi esiningi kumele futhi a-drop back if ukhuliswa umuda if any team ingakwazi ukuhlakanipha ustop ukhuliswa umuda iliphi iside elizovumbuka ezoba strong for iMamelodi Sundowns because loya muntu for mina akasase-defender for iSundowns loya muntu loyo usekayi-wing uma umbheka siyazi ukuthi bambiza i-wing back but isikhathi esiningi uba close to i-box lama-opposition if ukhuliswa umuda akekho strong iSundowns ngoba ama-chance kulowo ndlovu ngena ucompliment ubani ukhuliswa umuda kulela side lane so without ukhuliswa umuda iSundowns i-athika ngabobani be-strong ngempela.
I feel what you are talking about is what we talk about the lopsided, meaning that the other wing we kill it, we put it inside. How the way he was playing with us on the other side, to join the field, and then you say the player that was playing on this side, Van Beek, I think it was him today, if I'm not mistaken, and give Kulisi the way. The thing what they are trying to do is that they are overloading the midfield. Remember, Adeni Parati, remember Kulisi. So you want that combination, Adeni Kulisi, Johannes, and Matthews Parati, and you allow Kulisi the way. Yes, if you get close inside Kulisi, you ask him what could happen. It's not a transmatch, my brother. You can still switch it around because if you say Mudi, it's the same thing. Mudiba can play as a Parati. Mudiba can overlap.
Uwalks uyibulele imidfield yeSundowns uyibulele baphefumulile kodwa uWalks bekazama ukucisha wonke lwamlilo loyo so if you overload the midfield and you still don't create ama-opportunities amaningi from that midfield then on the continent says ukhani also mina angimhloniphe ucoach ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach oslem ohlakaniphile but he knows how to play on the continent ucabanga ukuthi Betway Premiership ngathi ba complicated for yena uzele ukuzowina just i-Champions League na.
No, my brother, on that one I'd like to differ with you. But I'll give it to you in a sense to say, remember I said, the three centre back. three centre back holding centre backs, and the two combination apparat. Meaning that there's 5 people who were controlling that midfield, that central corridor. They were the 5 people who were making sure that to control the central corridor. That's why I'm giving it credit to Coach Kaizer Chiefs to understand to say, let me close the central corridors. And once that is happening, it does not necessarily mean Coach Kados is a bad coach. No, it means tactical. That's why I say the game was very tactical. Hence you see when Cardoso picked it up, okay, the central channels have been closed. Now let me bring someone that's good on the other side. That's why you bring in Undu to say, okay, let me go for the side. And so let me push them by the side for the central corridor to Upavule. And that is why you see Aleta Upim Queen, the young Queen, that guy, the boy Udal is number 10, and is a number 10 who likes dropping deep to join about number 6 back by 2 and get the ball from there and challenge those central corridors. Now it means once you have a player that can go deep and carry the ball, one of those holding midfielders need to step out and close him down. You need Undo, you need Oxy, or you need my boy that will come and close him down. Once that happens, that's where the channels zivule. And you see what by the time it was 70-something minutes, that's where Batonza my boy, because he could understand Coach Kaizer Chiefs to say, now you can tell my boy, and I still need that energy because of Alalapaya. That's why he ended the game with 3 holding midfielders. I
predict season in Sundowns locally, not on the continent, just locally, because on the continent, Sundowns in the style corner, they know how to approach my games on the continent. Locally, do you think Miguel Cardoso has dominated locally this season?
Now, I feel with the locally is going to do great. This season there's no pressure. The fans are not expecting a star. I feel with him, the way he started from the beginning, I feel Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns, when he got to Mikel Mafia with Sundowns, he was a coach that saved Sundowns from being knocked out to group stages, if you remember. He was number 2, Magafika. Pirates was number 1. By December 25, he became number 1. So I feel with this season I'm gonna play. I feel that is why even this season you see a lot of young players are playing. So I feel with in terms of dominance, then it's up to him to dominate Kanjan because I got one game. But I think with this season, that's where we're gonna see who Mikel Cardoso is as a coach this season.
Thank you. Ibrahim siyabonga abafethi Superfed Mamelodi Sundowns. Ibrahim echisiba mbelano kwamanje siyabonga ukujoina Ibrahim.
Sure. Thank you. Great.